Here's how the cast of Wednesday looks today. Number 13. Christina Ricci. Christina Ricci, known in the series as Marilyn Thornhill and Laurel Gates, plays a kind teacher hiding a dark secret that triggers a major plot twist. She was born on February 12, 1980, and this is how she looks today at 45 years old. Number 12. Emma Myers. Emma Myers, known in the series as Enid Sinclair, is the extroverted and loyal roommate of Wednesday, as well as a werewolf still in transition. She was born on April 2, 2002, and this is how she looks today at 23 years old. Number 11. Hunter Doohan. Hunter Doohan, known in the series as Tyler Galpin, starts off as Wednesday's love interest, but eventually reveals a dark side that completely shifts the story. He was born on January 18, 1994, and this is how he looks today at 31 years old. Number 10. Joy Sunday. Joy Sunday, known in the series as Bianca Barclay, is a talented and competitive siren who stands as one of Wednesday's main rivals at Nevermore Academy. She was born on September 25, 1996, and this is how she looks today at 28 years old. Number 9. Percy Hynes White. Percy Hynes White, known in the series as Xavier Thorpe, is a student with psychic powers and one of the main suspects in Wednesday's investigation. He was born on October 8, 2001, and this is how he looks today at 23 years old. Number 8. Catherine Zeta-Jones. Catherine Zeta-Jones, known in the series as Morticia Addams, is Wednesday's elegant and mysterious mother, deeply connected to the secrets of Nevermore. She was born on September 25, 1969, and this is how she looks today at 55 years old. Number 7. Luis Guzmán. Luis Guzmán, known in the series as Gomez Addams, is Wednesday's cheerful and passionate father, with a past that plays a key role in the story. He was born on August 28, 1956, and this is how he looks today at 68 years old. Number 6. Gwendoline Christie. Gwendoline Christie, known in the series as Larissa Weems, is the strict and protective headmistress of Nevermore Academy, with a past that ties her to Morticia. She was born on October 28, 1978, and this is how she looks today at 46 years old. Number 5. Isaac Ordóñez. Isaac Ordóñez, known in the series as Pugsley Addams, is Wednesday's younger brother, shy but loyal and very close to his peculiar family. He was born on April 15, 2009, and this is how he looks today at 16 years old. Number 4. Musa Mostafa. Musa Mostafa, known in the series as Eugene Ottinger, is the enthusiastic president of the Beekeeping Club and one of Wednesday's most loyal friends. He was born on February 25, 2008, and this is how he looks today at 17 years old. Number 3. Fred Armisen. Fred Armisen, known in the series as Uncle Fester, is Wednesday's eccentric and funny uncle, with electric powers and a very dark sense of humor. He was born on December 4th, 1966, and this is how he looks today at 58 years old. Number 2. Jenna Ortega. Jenna Ortega, known in the series as Wednesday Addams, is a brilliant and dark teenager determined to solve a mysterious string of murders. She was born on September 27, 2002, and this is how she looks today at 22 years old. Number 1. Jamie McShane. Jamie McShane, known in the series as Sheriff Donovan Galpin, is Tyler's father and the top lawman in Jericho, constantly suspicious of Wednesday. He was born on July 22, 1966, and this is how he looks today at 58 years old. And tell me, who was your favorite actor and which transformation surprised you the most? Leave your answer in the comments section. This was Famous People Uncovered, and I hope you have an amazing day.